Doctor is ready, his tools in hand, to help the little animals in the land. A cough here, a sneeze there, Doctor's got the cure, he's always prepared. A little raccoon with a sniffling nose, a tiny owl with a sneeze that blows. Doctor smiles, don't worry my friend, I'll fix those sniffles, just wait till the end. Doctor fixes the little sniffles with a tissue here and a sprinkle of giggles, a spoonful of honey, a cozy bed. Doctor makes you feel better with a little head. The bun are sneezing, the fox has a cold, but Doctor has remedies pure and bold. He gives them a drink and a soft blanket hug. Before they know it, they're feeling snug. The birds are chirping with a little cough, but Doctor tells them it's time to take it off. A little rest and a warm cup of tea, soon they'll be flying so happy and free. Doctor fixes the little sniffles with a tissue here and a sprinkle of giggles, a spoonful of honey, a cozy bed. Doctor makes you feel better with a little head. With a little laughter, a gentle touch, Doctor knows that it doesn't take much. A warm hug, a funny rhyme, Doctor will fix you every time. Doctor fixes the little sniffles with a tissue here and a sprinkle of giggles, a spoonful of honey, a cozy bed. Doctor makes you feel better with a little head. So if you've got the sniffles, don't you fear, Doctor is here and the cure's near. With his care and his love, you'll soon be fine. Doctor fixes those sniffles every time.